Do you study English for years but still feel stuck when you try to speak? You understand movies and songs, but when it's your turn to talk, the words just won't come out? You feel nervous, you worry about mistakes, and you stay quiet even when you want to join the conversation? I know exactly how that feels. It's frustrating. Today, we're going to understand why this happens and share simple, real ways to fix it so you can finally speak with more confidence and enjoy using English every day.
Hey everyone, welcome back. That feeling is so common. Many learners can read and listen well, but speaking feels different and harder. The good news is it's not because you're not smart enough. It's usually because of a few simple challenges we can change step by step.
Hello, friends. Welcome to English Stories channel. I'm Will.
And I'm Bella. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Today, our topic is why you can't speak English and how to fix it. We know many of you feel shy or stuck when speaking. Don't worry though, this video is made for you. We'll talk about real problems and give you practical ideas that actually help.
Yes. We'll share a short dialogue first, then discuss it together. You'll learn useful vocabulary and easy tips to improve. Let's begin.
Okay, imagine this situation. You're at a small cafe with a new friend. Here's the dialogue.
Hi, how are you today?
Hi, I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm great. The weather is nice, right? What did you do this weekend?
Um, I studied English, but I don't speak well. It's difficult for me.
That's okay. Everyone starts somewhere. Tell me about your favorite hobby.
My hobby is listening to music, but I can't explain it in English, sorry.
No problem. We can practice together. Small steps are fine. That was a nice, simple dialogue about daily life and hobbies. It shows a common situation many learners face.
Exactly, Bella. In the dialogue, person B understands the questions but struggles to answer quickly. They pause a lot and say, and sorry. This happens because speaking uses different skills than reading or listening. Your brain needs to find words fast, make sentences, and pronounce them at the same time. That's why it feels hard even after years of study.
Yes, one big challenge is fear of making mistakes. Many people think, what if I say something wrong and people laugh? That fear makes them stay quiet. But mistakes are normal. They're how we learn. That means when you speak and make a small error, it's actually good practice.
Another common problem is too much focus on grammar. You study rules a lot, but when you speak, you try to remember every rule and the words stop coming. This is a good word because overthinking. Overthinking slows you down. Instead, focus first on communicating your idea. Grammar gets better with time and practice.
Will, do you remember when you had trouble speaking a new language? Can you share a small personal example?
Sure, Bella. When I started learning Spanish, I knew many words, but felt nervous ordering food at a restaurant. I would point instead of speaking. One day I decided to try simple sentences like, I want coffee, please. It wasn't perfect, but the waiter smiled and understood. That small success gave me confidence. It wasn't much, but it helped.
That's encouraging. For me, the problem was limited vocabulary for daily topics like weather, routines, or food. I could say basic things, but not describe my day well. Now I know that building vocabulary in phrases, not single words, helps a lot. For example, instead of just weather, learn the weather is sunny and warm today. This is a good phrase because you can use it immediately in real conversations.
Great point. Let's explain some vocabulary from the dialogue in simple ways. Struggle means to have difficulty doing something, like, I struggled to speak English fluently. Pause means to stop for a short time. In the dialogue, person B pauses because they're thinking. Hobby is something you enjoy doing in free time, like listening to music or cooking.
Another useful word is confidence. It means feeling sure about yourself. When your confidence grows, speaking becomes easier. Communicate means to share ideas with others. Our goal is to communicate clearly, even if the sentence isn't perfect.
Bella, what do you think is another reason people can't speak well? Is it because they don't practice enough in real situations?
Yes, exactly. Many learners only study alone with books or apps. But speaking needs real use, like talking about your routine or the weather with someone. Without practice, the words stay in your head, but don't come out of your mouth smoothly. That's why input, listening and reading, is important. But output, speaking, is what builds fluency.
I agree. A real problem is translating everything from your native language first. You think in your own language, then try to change it to English. This makes speaking slow. The fix is to start thinking simple ideas directly in English. For example, when you wake up, say in your mind, today is Sunday. The sky looks cloudy.
That's helpful. Now, let's talk about practical ways to improve and develop your English speaking. We'll share challenges that actually work. Each one has a clear time period so you can focus without feeling overwhelmed. You can do one main challenge at a time. First, the Speak Alone Every Day Challenge. For 2 weeks, spend 10 minutes each day talking to yourself in English. Describe your daily routine, what you eat for breakfast, how you go to school or work, or the weather outside. Record yourself on your phone if you want. At the end of 2 weeks, you'll notice your sentences come out more naturally. This builds comfort and reduces fear because no one is listening.
After that, try the shadowing practice for the next 2 weeks. Choose short English videos or podcasts about everyday topics like food or hobbies. Listen to one sentence, pause, and repeat exactly. Copy the pronunciation and speed. Do this for 15 minutes daily. Shadowing helps your mouth get used to English sounds and rhythm. Many people improve their fluency this way because it trains speaking without pressure.
Good one, Will. Next, for 3 weeks, do the simple conversation builder. Find a language partner online or a friend who wants to practice. Start with easy topics. Talk about your favorite food for 5 minutes, then the weather, then your hobbies. If you can't find a partner yet, use voice messages to yourself or free apps. The key is to speak more than you listen in these sessions. This helps with real communication.
Another useful challenge is vocabulary in action for 2 weeks. Every day, learn 5 new phrases related to daily life, not single words. For example, I'm running late today, or this meal tastes delicious. Then use each phrase in at least 3 spoken sentences during your alone time or with a partner. This is better than lists because you remember them when you need them while speaking.
Will, how about pronunciation? Many people struggle with sounds like th or linking words together.
Yes, for the final period, spend 2 weeks on clear pronunciation focus. Pick 3 difficult sounds and practice them in sentences. Record and listen back. Small improvements here make you feel more confident. Remember, perfect pronunciation isn't necessary, clear is enough.
These challenges work because they are short, focused and build one skill at a time. Start with the one that matches your biggest problem. If fear is stopping you, begin with speaking alone. If words are the issue, focus on phrases. Be patient and kind to yourself. Progress comes with regular, relaxed practice.
Personally, I saw improvement when I stopped waiting to feel ready and just started speaking. It wasn't perfect, but it was progress.
Same here. Now, to summarize the lesson, many people can't speak English fluently because of fear of mistakes, overthinking grammar, limited practice, and thinking in their native language. The good news is you can fix these step by step. Use short, practical challenges like speaking alone, shadowing, and building conversations. Focus on communication first. Small daily efforts lead to big confidence.
Exactly. Speaking English opens doors to new friends, better opportunities, and fun conversations about daily life.
Before we finish, we'd love if you like this video and subscribe to English Stories channel. It helps us make more helpful content for you. No pressure, only if you enjoyed it.
Now we have a question for you in the comments. What is your biggest challenge when trying to speak English? Is it fear, finding words, or something else? Tell us below. We read every comment and it helps us make better videos.
Thank you so much for watching and spending time with us today. Keep practicing with a smile. You're doing great. Bye, everyone.